student, welcome to Gyan Jyoti online classes, class 7, English chapter 13, topic is thank you ma'am. Here this lesson speaks about a very robber or a child who tried to steal money and to get something, and by a mistake he was failed to get, but the lady captured him, and then after the lady, instead of sending him to jail and punishment, he taught him a good lesson how to live a life instead of looting or instead of attacking or just pickpocketing. How she behaved very perfectly and changed the child's attitudes and child's good lifestyle. This lesson is very influencing, and how we can deal with a person who is negative. The lesson is very important, and let's start this lesson. She was a large woman with a large purse that had everything in it but hammer and nails. Yes, let's see. She was a large woman, means very healthy one. Okay, बहुत ही हेल्थ है, with a large purse, इसलिए बहुत बड़ा सा पर्स ही पकड़ती है, and that everything in it. Yes, every मतलब उस पर्स में हर चीज़ है. What hammer and nails, all the items we can find inside this bag. Okay, it had a long strap, और उस पर्स में लंबा सा क्या है, पट्टी है, long strap. Yes, long strap. And she carried it. She carried it means उसको लेके जाती है. And slong means hang across her shoulder में इसको झुला के लेके जाती है. Okay. It was about 11 o'clock at night. 11 o'clock night means evening, in the night scenery, late night. And she was walking alone. वो अकेले ही घर जा रही थी. At the night scenery, and at the time is something maybe night journey at their own is not good. Okay. When a boy ran off behind her, उसके पीछे भी देखो एक छोटा लड़का दौड़ते हुए आता है. Let's see. And behind her and tried to snatch her purse, और उस पर्स को छीनने के लिए कोशिश किया. Okay. The strap broke. Yeah, strap is cord. उसका जो रस्सी है टूट गया, वो टूट गया. And with a single pull, tug means pull, the boy gave it from behind. Means वहाँ पर लड़का gave it from पीछे से छीन लिया. Okay, पर्स को. But the boy's weight and the weight of the purse combined caused him to lose his balance. Boy's weight and the bag's weight both are combined. The boy is imbalanced, means balance खो बैठा. And what a man, he fall down then after and lose his balance, and instead of taking off full blast, he had hoped. Taking blast means he may jump and go. Hoped the boy fell on his back on the side way. उसके सामने ही जाके फिसल के गिर गया. Yes, the boy fell down on his side way. Let's see. यहाँ ही रास्ते में गिर गया. Let's see. फिर क्या होता है? The large woman, yes, the boy fell on his back on the sideway and his legs flew out. उसका पैर ऊपर उड़ गया. You can see. The large woman simply turned around and kicked him right square in his blue jeans seater. या सीटर जो ब्लू जीन्स जो पीछे जो बैठा है आके जो large woman जो हट्टी औरत थी, इसके एक शॉट मारती है. Then she reached down, वो पहुँचती है, मीन्स लड़के को पकड़ लेती है. Picked the boy up and up by his shirt front, सामने से शर्ट को लेडीज जोर से पकड़ लेती है. Yes. And shook him until his teeth rattled. Shook him means हिलाना शुरू कर देती है. Yeah. Until his teeth rattled means sound, make sound that the boy started crying and made lots of noise. Okay. After that, the woman said, उसके बाद उस महिला से लड़के के साथ कुछ वार्तालाप होता है. Pick up my pocket book, जो नीचे मेरा pocket book गिरा हुआ है. Pocket book means the purse. Yes, pocket book means purse, wallet or purse, okay, and give it here और मुझे दे दो. She still held him. अभी उस महिला उस लड़का को पकड़ा है पूरा आर्म में. But she bent down enough to permit him. वो भी झुकती है और वो लड़का जैसे कि बैठ पाएगा पर्स को ऐसे मतलब बैंड करके. That lady tried to catch this. The boy took this purse. Okay, permit him to stoop and pick up her purse. The lady embraced hold the boy and the lady also go down and the child took this purse and gave it to the lady. Okay. Then she said, now aren't you ashamed of yourself? क्या आपने में शर्म नहीं लग रहा है कि you are looting, you are pickpocketing? Firmly gripped by his shirt front, the boy said, yes ma'am. Firmly gripped, grip means take a firm hold, पूरा जबड़ के उस लेडी पकड़ी है उस शर्ट को और लड़का बोलता है हाँ मैडम आई एम सॉरी. दैट मीन्स द मैन सेड व्हाट डिड यू वांट टू डू इट फॉर. ये जो पर्स ले रहे थे क्या करने के लिए ले रहे थे? फॉर व्हाट रीजन? द बॉय सेड आई डिडंट एम इट. मेरा कोई एम नहीं था ऐसे ही ले जा रहा. दैट मीन्स विदाउट एनी एम आई वाज जस्ट टेकिंग. शी सेड यू ए लाई. तुम झूठ बोलते हो. By the time 2 or 3 people passed, stopped, turned to look, and some stood watching. Yes, she said, you will lie. तुम झूठ बोलो. लड़की बोलती, महिला बोलती है. But by the time 2 or 3 people passed, आदमी लोग भी जा रहे हैं क्योंकि रात के 11 बजा है. Stopped, turned to look, रुक के देखे क्या हो रहा है. And some stood watching, and some are observing this child. And the lady was holding this child and what the activity. Let's see here. If I turn you loose, will you run? Asked the woman. अगर मैं तुम्हें छोड़ देता हूँ, ladies, then what will you do? Will you run means क्या भागोगे? Yes, the child said, yes ma'am, said the boy. Yes ma'am, मुझे भागना है. Then I won't turn you loose. तभी मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. Said the woman. She did not release him. That lady उस लड़का को छोड़ता नहीं है, छोड़ती नहीं है. ठीक है. I am very sorry, lady. I am sorry, whispered the boy. Now boy told कि I have done mistake, pardon me, कि मैं इसके लिए मैं दुखी हूँ, मुझे माफ़ कर दो. He spoke like that. And your face is dirty, lady told. मुँह तो गंदा है. I got a great mind to wash your face for you. मुझे तो तुम्हारा मुँह को पहले साफ करना है. I got a great mind to wash your face for you. I have to clean your face. In this line you can see a lady was thinking more than the child. Child जो लूट के मार के कुछ करना चाहता है, lady लड़का को सुधारना चाहता है. The lady tried to make the child more means clean and more good. That's why lady spoke like that. Aren't you got nobody home to tell you to wash your face? क्या तुम्हारे घर में और कोई नहीं है कि तुम्हारा मुंह को धोने के लिए? Nobody is with you to clean your face, boy. No ma'am, said the boy. बच्चा बोलता है कि नहीं मैडम कोई नहीं है. Then it will get washed this evening. Yes. Okay. Then no problem. But आज की शाम को मैं I will wash your face. Okay. Let's see. This said the large woman, starting of the street. Said the large woman. Yes, उस महिला उस लड़का को पकड़ के spoke like that. The large woman starting of the street, dragging the frightened boy behind her. Dragging means pulled roughly the frightened boy behind her. या उस लड़के को खींचते हुए, इसको लेते हुए. By pulling the child towards her house, took the child. Okay, imagine what type of lady and what type of boy are discussed here. He looked as if he were 14 or 15. मतलब young age था, teenage, 14, 15 मतलब तुम्हारे एज का. Let's see. Frail and willow wind. Well, frail means very weak in color, weak. And willow wind is the one type of plant which has no more shining. पूरा कमजोर जैसे दूल्हा पतला है. एक पौधा है जैसे कि पूरा सूखा जैसे दिख रहा है. Yes. In tennis shoe and blue jeans. Yes. टेनिस शू पहना है और ब्लू जींस पहना है, इसमें पूरा ही दुबला पतला दिख रहा है. ये द चाइल्ड हैज नो हेल्थ एंड नो गुड फिगर. द वुमन सेड, यू ऑट टू बी माई सन. तुम मेरे बच्चे जैसे हो. व्हाट लाइन. कैन इमेजिन कि लेडी में कितना अच्छा सोच है कि तुम तो मेरे बच्चे हो. आई विल टीच यू राइट फ्रॉम रॉन्ग. क्या सही, व्हाट इज राइट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग. क्या सही है क्या गलत है. आई विल टीच यू. आई विल गिव यू मैसेज. आई विल गिव यू मोर इंफॉर्मेशन लिस्ट. आई कैन डू राइट नाउ इज टू वॉश योर फेस. आर यू हंग्री. यस. पहले काम तो मैं तुम्हारे मुंह को साफ करना है मुझे. और क्या तुम्हें भूख लग रहा है. डू यू फील हंग्री. नो मैम. सर द बिंग ड्रैग्ड बॉय मीन्स वो बच्चे को खींचते हुए अपने घर तक ले जा रहे हैं. ये मैडम तो लड़का क्या बोलेगा, मुझे भूख नहीं है. डर है कि उस दैट लेडी में टेक हिम टू जेल. या आई जस्ट वांट यू टू टर्न मी लूज. मुझे एक इच्छा है, मुझे छोड़ दो. आई वांट टू लीव फ्रॉम दिस. आई वांट टू गो आउट फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस. द चाइल्ड स्पोक लाइक दैट. व्हाई आई बोदरिंग यू व्हेन आई turn that corner. asked the man. Why I bothering you when I turn that corner. जैसे मैं कॉर्नर से मुड़ा हूँ और आई कैन कैरी यू. क्या तुमको बोदरिंग मीन्स आई एम डिस्टर्बिंग यू. नो मैम. ये द चाइल्ड टोल्ड. बट यू पुट योर सेल्फ इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ मी. तुम खुद आ गए. यू कम टू माई प्लेस. एज यू कम दैट्स व्हाई आई एम रिएक्टिंग. सेड द मैन. If you think that contact is not going to last a while, you got another thought coming. Yes, if you think, तुम जो सोचते हो that the contact is not going to last a while, कुछ समय पहले अगर नहीं आते मेरे contact में, you got another thought coming. तुम्हारा अलग विचार होता है. You may be thinking other as you think now. When I get through with you, मैं जब तुम्हारे होते हुए गया, sir, you are going to remember Mrs. Louisa Bates, Washington Jones. Yeah, you are going to remember. Yeah, you should remember who is one person. Mrs. Louisa Bates, Washington Jones, the lady. You should remember that lady. Let's see. And when I get through you, let's see. You are going to remember. तुमको याद करना है. क्या याद करना. मिसेस ल्यूला बेट्स वाशिंगटन जोन. Let's see then what the reaction of the child. Sweat popped out of the boy's face and he began to struggle. Popped out means burst out. पसीना निकल गया बच्चे में. कि गया मतलब मैं गया कहाँ, मतलब कहाँ ले जा रहा है. The child was fully suffocated, fully disturbed. What will happen to me then after. Yeah, on the boy's face and he began to struggle. वो कोशिश कर रहा है कि मुझे यहाँ छुटकारा मिल जाए. आई कैन गो आउट. मिसेस जॉन्स स्टॉप्ड. मिसेस जॉन रुक गया. जर्ड हिम अराउंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर. यस, मिसेस जॉन स्टॉप्ड. मिसेस जॉन वहाँ पर रुक गया. यस, दिस लेडीज नेम इज व्हाट. मिसेस लीला बेट्स वाशिंगटन जॉन. ओके. मिसेस जॉन स्टॉप्ड. जर्ड हिम अराउंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर. और उसके सामने वो थोड़ा कोशिश किया कि भागने के लिए. Put a half Nelson about his neck and continued to drag him to the street. Put a half Nelson about the neck. Half Nelson about the means neck के आधा तक पकड़ के. He hold the half Nelson of the neck. He hold the lady and carried drag means pull this lady on the street and continue. वो खींचते हुए लड़का को वो मैडम that Madam Jones carried this lady to her house. When she got to her door, जब लेडी अपने घर को पहुंची, she dragged the boy inside. लड़के को खींचते हुए अंदर ले गया. Down a hall, वहां पर एक हॉल था. And into a large kitchenette, और वहाँ पर एक लंबा सा kitchenette is the part of the room equipped as a kitchen. मतलब ऐसा किचन का हिस्सा, part of the kitchen. Okay. Furnished means full of furniture items. Room at the rear means back part of the house. घर के पीछे तरफ था. She switched on the light and left the door open. और वहाँ पर स्विच ऑन करके डोर को खोल दिया. And what did the lady tell to this boy? The boy could hear other rumors, laughing and talking in the large room. और भी लोग थे उस घर में, वो लोग हंस रहे हैं और बातचीत कर रहे हैं. That type of activities the boy could hear from. Some of their doors were open. कुछ डोर उनका खुला भी है. That means वो लोग देख रहे हैं क्या हो रहा है कि कुछ नहीं. Let's see. 2. So he knew he and the woman were not alone. Now this child understood that इस घर में से महिला और बच्चे को छोड़ के और भी हैं. There are also different people inside this house. The woman still had him by the neck in the middle of her room. रूम के बीच में अभी neck के ऊपर से the lady has to embrace and hold that the child may not go away. He said, "What's your name?" Now that lady asks, "What is your name?" Okay, then he told, "Roger." मेरा नाम रोगर है. Answered the boy. Then Roger, you go to that sink and wash your face. The sink, yeah, to clean your face. Yeah, मुंह धो के आ जाओ. Said the woman. Whereupon she turned him loose. She turned him loose when वो जैसे इसको छोड़ दिए. Yes. At last, Roger looked at the door. Why? That I may escape. Look at the woman. Madam has caught. Look at the door and went to the scene. सोच रहा है कि यहाँ से बच के दौड़ के भाग जाऊँ. But it was not possible. Let the water run until it gets warm. Yes. तब तक पानी निकलना है जब तक गर्म नहीं हुआ है. She said, "Here is a clean towel, okay? You may get refreshed and you have the towel, you can clean your face." So imagine, the lady was very kind-hearted. Even though the child was very rough and thick and bad character, bad nature and bad negative, the lady can change. Really, you cannot take me to jail. Miss, you are going to take me to jail. Asked the boy, bending over the sink. Yes, वो डर जा रहा है कि मुझे शायद जेल में चले जाऊंगा. Not with that face. Not with that means I will not take you to jail. I will not take you nowhere. Said the woman. Okay, don't you worry कि मैं तुम्हें कहीं नहीं ले जाऊंगा. Here I am trying to get home to cook me a bit to eat. Yes, I am trying to get home to cook me a bit to eat and you snatch my pocket bag. Yes, that you have stolen my things. मेरा तुम पॉकेट को तुम चोरी किए, लेकिन मैं तुम्हारे लिए खाना बनाने के लिए जा रही हूँ. Okay, maybe you are not doing to your supper either. शायद supper means the last meal, कि शायद तुम खाना भी नहीं खाए होगे. Late as it be, जैसे कि आज लेट हो चुका है क्योंकि 11 बजे कहानी है, तो शायद 11:30 रात के 11:30 भी हुआ होगा. Have you, क्या खाए हो? There is nobody home at my house. The boy told, मेरे घर में कोई नहीं है. I am the helpless. That means I am helpless. Yeah, said the boy. Then we'll eat. Okay, said the woman. चलो तो फिर हम खाएंगे. I believe you are hungry. Yes, or being hungry to try to snatch my pocketbook. क्यों? इसलिए you are taking my purse because you may hungry. क्योंकि भूखे लोग ही पर्स को चोरी करते हैं. Then the boy told, I wanted a pair of blue suit juice. मैं ब्लू सूट का जूस शूज लेना था, इसीलिए मैं आपकी पॉकेट को मारा था. Said the boy. Well, you didn't have to snatch my pocketbook to get some suity shoes. Said the Mrs. Lula Bates, Washington Jones. Lula Bates, Washington बोली, you could have asked me. तो मुझे मांगे होते मैं दिया होता. चोरी करने का क्या जरूरत था? You would have asked, then I would have given. Or if you, yes, ma'am, the water dripping from his face. से मुंह से पसीने से मुंह से पानी गिर रहा है. The boy looked at her. लड़का मैडम के ऊपर ध्यान से देखा. There was a long pause. पूरे लंबे समय के लिए बच्चे लड़का शांत होकर देखा. A long pause. After he had dried his face, जब अपना मुंह को पोंछ लिया, and not knowing what else to do, he dried it again. और उसको पता नहीं कि और क्या करे. The boy turned around, wondering what next. Boy इधर मुड़ा और वो क्या करे वो समझ नहीं पा रहा. He was unable to understand what he going to do. Let's see. The door was open. एक दरवाजा खुला है. दौड़ के भागे क्या? He could make a dash for it down the hall. Dash for it means he can jump करके भाग सकता है. He could run. वो दौड़ के भाग सकता है. He could run. Okay. दो men was sitting on the day bed. वहाँ पर दो महिला बेड में बैठी है तो वो अच्छा चांस है भागने के लिए. After a while she said, उस महिला देखिए कितना अच्छी है. देखिए क्या बातचीत कर रही है. I were young once. मैं भी बचपन मैं भी जवान था छोटा था. And I wanted things I could not get. मुझे जो मिला जो नहीं मिला मैं उसको भी चाहता था. हर जीवन में कुछ कमी रहता है. Let's see. There was another long pause. उस महिला फिर रुक के बोली. The boy's mouth open. The boy का मुंह खुला हुआ है. Then he frowned. Frown means there is very serious face. But not knowing he frowned, the woman said, "Oh, you thought I was going to say, but didn't you? You thought, तुम सोच रहे हो कि मैं कुछ बोलने के जा रहा हूँ, क्या नहीं बोलने जा रहा हूँ? You thought I was going to say, but I didn't snatch people's pocket books. कि you thought, तुम सोच लिए कि I was taking other person's pocket books and purse and to fulfill my wants. Well, I was not going to say that. कि मैं बचपन में किसी का पॉकेट छीन के मैं अपना चीज़ को पूरा नहीं किया हूँ. I have not done. Pause. Silence. कुछ समय के लिए उस महिला फिर से रुक गई. I have done things too which I would not tell you, son. मैं कुछ किया. I have done things. I did another one instead of pocket man, instead of looting the purse. Neither tell God. ना तो तुमको बताऊंगा ना I am my God. Okay. If he did not already know. Yes, he did not already know. So you sit down while I fix or something to eat. Let's see. You get sit down. Then I am arranging you food. Okay. You might run that comb through your hair so that you look presentable. Yes. Now you get replaced. You comb your face. You look presentable means you look smart. Very smart looking. Yes, student. Then in another corner of the room behind a screen was a gas plate and an ice box. Now this lady in the corner of the room, उस रूम के corner में कुछ रखी थी. Behind the screen पर्दे के उस पीछे was a gas plate and an ice box. Ice box भी थी. Mrs. Jones got up and went behind the screen. उस स्क्रीन के पीछे तरफ गई. The woman did not watch the boy. Yes, Miss boy was something did not see or see if he was going to run now. He did not. The lady thought that the boy will not run now. Yes. Nor did she watch her purse, and nor did she watch her purse, which she left behind her on the day bed. बेड के पास ही पर्स भी रखी है और लड़का को छोड़ा गया है. साथ ना तो पर्स को लेके जाएगा या तो दौड़ के भागेगा. लेडी समझ आई कि लड़का थोड़ा लाइन में आ गया है. The child is in good understanding, but the boy took care to sit on the far side of the room where he thought she could easily see him out of the corner of her eye if she wanted to. Now the child was sitting in one of the corner of the room. That the lady attention and mind was in the place of this corner, and she saw that the child is what the child is doing, whether he's taking the purse, whether the child is running away, or what the child is doing anything else, and he kept this in her mind. Okay, lady ध्यान रखिए लड़का क्या क्या हरकत कर रहा है. And he did not want to be mistrusted now. Now the child is very honorable now. Distrust means धोखा नहीं देगा, he will be obedient. He did not want to distrust now means the child is obedient now. He will not run or not snatch or the pocket box. Okay. Do you need something to go to store? Asked the boy. Yes. Do you need something to go to the store? क्या तुम स्टोर में जाना चाहते हो? Maybe to get some milk or something. Yeah. The child demanded that I need some milk. Yeah. Don't believe I do. Don't believe I do, said the woman, unless you just want sweet milk yourself. I was going to make cocoa out of this canned milk I got here. Yes, I was going to make. Yes, I was going to make cocoa out of this canned milk I got here. Cocoa means from this I have to make cocoa. Cocoa milk. Let's see. I don't believe it, said the woman. Unless you just want sweet milk yourself, I was going to make cocoa out of this canned milk I got here. Yes. So, you don't like this sweet milk, then I will have to prepare other type of preparation. I want to go to make cocoa out of this canned milk I got there. Okay. That will be fine, said the boy. Okay, that will be very nice. Okay, if you prepare. She heated some lima beans. Do you know lima beans? An edible, round, green colored bean. तो ग्रीन कलर का बीन को लेके कुछ प्रिपरेशन की एंड मीट और कुछ आइटम है मीट आइटम एंड शी हैड इन द आइस बॉक्स यस आइस बॉक्स मतलब फ्रिज में रखे made the cocoa and set the table. The woman did not ask the child, ask the boy anything about where she lived. Now the lady didn't ask the details of this child. Where are from, what is his folk means, from what type of category, what type of folk means that people or anything else that would embarrass him is harassing. उसको खराब लगे. Let's see, she didn't ask anything. Instead, as they ate, जैसे उन लोग खाए, she told him about her job in a hotel beauty shop. Yes. Now she discussed about her own profession. कि कहाँ काम करती है? होटल ब्यूटी शॉप में काम करती है. That stayed open late और रात के 11 बजे तक खुलता है शायद. What's the work was like? ओके जो काम वो करती है वो अपने बारे में बताई लेडीज. ओके एंड हाउ ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ वुमेन कैम इन एंड आउट. किस तरह की महिलाएं वहाँ पर आते हैं और ब्यूटी शॉप में. ब्लॉन्ड्स मीन्स पहले येलो कलर, रेड हेड्स लाल कलर का, एंड स्पेनिश डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पीपल दे कम स्पेनिश. देन she caught him a half of her 10-cent cake. इस केक का 10% ओके उसको काट के वो दी. Eat some more son. क्या और चाहिए? She said. When they were finished eating, she got up and said, after finish food was eating was over, now the work was over. Now here, take this $10 and buy yourself some blue shoe. Yeah, this blue shoe. Shoe means I told rough leather without rough leather shoes. I am giving $10. You can purchase yourself. Now the lady was very kind heart. उसको जो डिमांड था कि चोरी करके लेना था उसको खुशी में दे रहा है. कितना ही अच्छा कैरेक्टर लेडी देखिए. Let's see. And next time do not make the mistake of latching. Latching means fasten onto my pocket book. या तो मेरे पॉकेट बुक को छूना नहीं और nobody else और किसी का भी छूना नहीं. Because shoes come by devilish, मतलब devilish means by looting, और शैतानी करके उस शूज को पहने हो. Well, that will burn your feet, तुम्हारे पैर को जला देगा. वेरी गुड लाइन, टॉप लाइन स्टूडेंट्स. आप बेईमानी के साथ जीते हो तो आपका पैर को भी खा जाएगा. I got to get my rest now. Yes, और मैं अभी शाम के लिए मैं तैयार हो रहा था. But I wish You would behave yourself, son. Now lady said that I am tired now, I am going to sleep now, but I wish you would behave yourself. Behave means you would change yourself, be a good character, don't steal, don't misbehave. Yes, from here on in, she led him down the hall to the front door and opened it. तो अपने को उस लड़के को विदाई के लिए वो वहाँ पर ले गया. गुड नाइट, बिहेव योरसेल्फ बॉय, एंड वार्निंग कि अच्छे बनिए, बी गुड पर्सन. शी सेड लुकिंग आउट इनटू द स्ट्रीट. ओके, द बॉय वांटेड टू से समथिंग एल्स अदर देन थैंक यू. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू मैडम से ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने के लिए बच्चा चाहता था. एज द टाइटल इज थैंक यू मैडम, बट द चाइल्ड हैज नो वॉइस टू स्पीक टू मैडम लीला Bats, Washington Jones, but he couldn't means unable to speak. So as he turned at the Baron's stoop and looked back at the large woman in the door. Yeah, he turned at the Baron stoop and looked back at the large woman in the door. Yeah, that is a very bigger sign. Baron stoop means बहुत झुका हुआ और महान महिला एक खड़ी थी. He barely managed to say thank you. Yeah, barely means very hardly. Okay, before she saw the door, and he never saw her again. Now, child thought that, oh, I am rescued, relieved from this danger. Child was out from this place. Child relaxed from this place. The writer Longstone Hawkes beautifully described this story. The story speaks morals that we should how deal with the bad negative character, and we can change the person by positively. I hope you that this lesson may inspire you and be successful in your life. Have a good day. I will see you once again next video. Till that, study well. Meet once again in your online class. Okay, goodbye.